two identical charged spheres suspended from a common point by two massless strings of length L are initially a distance d, where d much less than L, apart because of their mutual repulsion. The charge begins to leak from both the spheres at a constant rate. As a result, the charges approach each other with a velocity v. Then, as a function of distance x between them, v proportional to x to the power minus 1 or v proportional to x to the power half or x to the power minus half. These are the four options. Now here see the figure. Here the charge q at any instant is separated from the other charge by distance x. Now the forces acting on it is, one is the tension T of the wire, another downward direction, this is the mg, the gravitational force, and in this direction the Coulomb force, that is the force of repulsion, that is. So F equal to k, this is the Coulomb constant, q square divided by x square. Now here the t is in this direction is t sin theta, and the component of t in this direction is t cos theta. So at any instant t cos theta is equal to mg and t sin theta is equal to fe, that is k q square by x square. Now divide the second equation with the first. The t sin theta divided by t cos theta, that is tan theta, is equal to k q square by x square mg. Now here sin theta is equal to x by 2 divided by L. As theta is very small, tan theta we can write sin theta is equal to tan theta. So tan theta is x by 2L. Now this is equal to x by 2L equal to k q square by x square mg. From here we can write q square proportional to x cube or q proportional to x to the power 3 by 2. Now take the derivative with respect to time, that is dq dt. This is proportional to 3 by 2 x to the power half dx dt. Now the charge leaks at constant rate, that is dq dt is constant, and here dx dt is the velocity, so x to the power half v is equal to constant, so v proportional to x to the power minus half. So this is the answer.